Hi everyone. Today's video is going to be about how to get into your unique learning systems um, interface, how to log in and use the software. And it's a very robust program. There's lots of stuff to do in there, and it's aligned with a lot of typically things that would be expected of you if we were in the classroom. One of the issues is that it is such a big program that it's very difficult to use. So let's get started. So if you open up any kind of web browser, um, there's a couple of ways to get to it. I sent everyone a link, and what you would do is just type in your main address bar up here, type in student.n2y.com and hit that, and that'll take you directly to the login. The other way to do it is in a Google search engine. You just click in unique learning system, and the first link here will take you to their main page. And up in the upper left hand corner, they've actually changed it. It made it a little bit easier. It used to be very difficult to find the sign in page from the main page. If you don't see sign in here, click on the globe and that should bring it up. But right here it looks like they've popped it out, so now it just comes up automatically. So click on sign in. It's going to have one pathway for teachers and another pathway for students. So you're going to click in student, and what we're going to do here is I'll put in our made up student, Giant Panda, and all of your logins will be the same. I emailed everyone their login username and password. The way it works is it's your first name, capital letter, first name, underscore, and then capital letter, last name. And the password, I sent that to everyone. And then once you log in, you're going to be given three options. There's three buttons. This first one that looks like a snowflake, that's actually the News to You daily lessons. Then there's positivity, which we're not really using at this point. I'm still working on basically figuring out how to integrate it with everything else. And then there's L3 skills. So the first one, the snowflake, unique skills, again, that's our daily lesson. Skip over here to L3 skills, and those are all games to support our learning. So let me start with L3 skills. And what I did is I loaded all kinds of games. They're learning academic games, and I loaded all of them for everyone. Because we have such a wide range of strengths and areas of need in our classroom, it's very difficult to assign just the right games to each student. So what I did is I loaded it for everyone, and what you can do is go through them. You're going to find some of them will be too hard for you, and some of them will be too easy for you. So just go through them, and you can find the ones that match up to what we were doing in the classroom, and you can use it from there. So say, for example, let's just take a quick look. Um, let's take a look at Pizza Parlor Edition. Let's click on that. And again, there's a lot to do in this program, in this whole system. So we'll hit play, and you can play this on your computer or your iPad or your phone. Let me try to turn it down a bit.
Hello, I want a pizza with 5 pepperonis and 3 green peppers, please.
Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to put, right here it shows you 5 pepperonis. One, two, three, 4, 5, plus 3 peppers. So let's find the peppers here, the green bell pepper. 1, 2, 3. And that's 5 plus 3 equals 8. And then you click on order done.
Nice job.
Perfect. And what I'll do now is this X, I'm going to exit out, stop. So that's just an example of one of the many games in here. And you guys can utilize these games on your own schedule since you're at home. Utilize them, use it to break up the unique learning lessons, daily lessons that I'll show you in a minute. But you can use these to reinforce the skills that you've been working on. So now to get back, let's click on that globe up here in the upper left-hand corner. Click on that globe. Let's go to the snowflake now. Okay, so as I'm recording this on a Sunday. So it's not going to show you the daily lesson for our sample student. Okay, well what I'll do is it looks like the daily lessons do not show on the weekends, and it's because I haven't enabled it for the weekends. So what I'll do is I'll post a separate video showing specifically how to use the unique learning systems, and that just means I'll have to do a separate video during the week to show you all how to use it. But again, what you would do here is the snowflake is our main daily lesson. L3 skills are the games to reinforce the lessons. And positivity, that's more of a behavior program. So what you're going to find is that when you're doing the unique lessons, you're going to see 6 break cards. And each break card is a 10-minute break card. So if you're doing a 2-hour lesson, you can hit the break card whenever you need a break. And you know, it's just the same as it is in class. We're not going to deny anyone a break. If you need a break, you just ask for a break and you'll be granted a break. Alright, and that's it for this lesson. So this is part 1 of Unique Learning Solution Systems, just the basic login.